Hello everyone, this is Natalie from Forest Packaging Group. Today I will test the box in some ways to show the good quality of the box we made. First, the box has a waterproof effect. Usually the surface of the box will break after touching water, but the surface of the box is laminated, so even after encountering water, it will not affect the box. You just wipe it away with paper. Secondly, in general, unless the box is used lightly, it will not deformation and other problems, and our box can also stand and end out weighing around 45 kilograms, which is good indication that the quality of our box is particularly good. Because our box is used grade A, regarding the printing, our printing surface is very clear. Even some very small words will not occur printing blurred. We will print the box exactly according to your design. Also, we'll ensure the box design as a whole and consistent. We will offer you a good quality box with our effort. If you're interested in our box, please feel free to contact us.